This time I cooked rice with this pot, not rice cooker. I will show you how to make this at the end, so please watch this video until the end. First, I'm gonna make super quick omelette. Prepare this kind of plate and spread the plastic wrap, crack an egg. Add salt and pepper, milk. Stir well. Pour beaten egg. Cook it in microwave at 500 watt for 1 minute. Wrap it into a round shape and wait until it hardens. While waiting for the omelette, let's cut vegetables. Tomato for topping. This is Japanese master spinach called komatsuna. I will use this for stir fry. I also use fish paste stick called Chikuwa. Next, let's prepare for miso rice bowl. Mix miso paste with mirin. Then make mini rice balls. Put the miso sauce on top. Then toast it in toaster oven. Next, let's make komatsuna stir fry. Oil the pan. Put komatsuna, chikuwa, shimeji mushroom, season it with soy sauce and honey. The omelette is nicely rounded. Sprinkle white sesame seeds on rice balls. First, let's make boiled egg. Then bake salmon. Sprinkle salt and sake. Cover and bake it for about 4 minutes on each side. Next, I will make tomato salad. Cut tomato into bite-sized. Add rice vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, grated ginger, and white sesame seeds. Stir to combine. I will make one more salad with broccoli. I use frozen broccoli, so I cook it in microwave. Pat it dry with paper towels. And mix it with dry bonito shavings and pond sauce. You can use soy sauce too. Salmon is ready, so let's make salmon flake and put it in rice. I only use half of it, so let's keep it for lunch or dinner. Make 2 rice balls. And wrap it with nori seaweed as you like. First, let's make miso soup. Cut daikon and carrot. Simmer them before adding chicken because it takes time to cook. Let's cut green onion. It's gonna be topping for miso soup. Remove tendons from chicken tender. And cut it into bite size. Add it to the soup. Cook chicken for 2 minutes. Next, I make side dish. I use frozen kabocha squash. Put it in pan with water, sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and sake. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes on low heat. Turn the chicken over. Simmer another 2 minutes. Don't forget to turn off the heat after 2 minutes, otherwise the chicken will be hard. Turn the kabocha squash over as well. Simmer another 3 minutes. Remove the lid, turn the heat up, and boil the soup until it's gone. Chicken and vegetables in the soup are ready, so add dashi granules and miso paste. Please dissolve miso. First, I'm gonna make quick red cabbage pickles. Shred red cabbage. Wash them well and sprinkle a pinch of salt. Stir to combine. Then wait for the water to come out. I want to make another pickles. This is even easier. Slice cucumber. Sprinkle salt and dashi granules. That's all. Wait for taste to soak in. Next, I will make rolled omelette. I want to put minced green onion and crab stick, so I'm gonna cut them in advance. Now red cabbage is soft, so squeeze water from them. Season it with rice vinegar, olive oil, and honey. Add a little more salt as needed. Let's start making omelette. Add salt and pepper, minced green onion, and crab stick. Stir to combine. Oil the pan. Pour egg liquid in 3 portions. Finally, let's make rice bowl. Wet your hands with water first and put rice after spreading salt a little on your palm. Wrap rice bowl in seaweed as you like. This time I make simple rice bowl using only salt. It's still yummy and healthy. First, I need to prepare tofu for stir-fry dish. Wrap tofu with paper towel and put small bowl or plate on top to drain water. Cut carrot, and onion. Remove strings from snap peas. Cut them into bite-sized. Cut ham as well. After draining tofu, dice it. I want to add egg to the stir fry, so I make scrambled egg in advance. Add salt and pepper. Remove egg from pan and set aside. Next, stir fry carrot and onion. Add snap peas, ham, and tofu. Season them with sugar, sake, soy sauce, salt and pepper, finally add egg and start to combine. Next, I'm gonna make rice bowl with salted kombu. Put cooked rice in a bowl and add salted kombu and sesame oil. By adding sesame oil, the unique sea smell of kombu will be softened. Make rice bowl. Next, I prepare super quick miso soup. I don't use a pot. Put miso paste in a soup bowl, add minced green onion, dried bonito shavings, and dried wakame seaweed. All that is left is to pour boiled water. After dishing up the tofu stir fry, wrap rice bowl with shiso leaf and nori seaweed as you like. Finally, pour boiled water and dissolve miso. First, let's make miso soup. Sliced daikon and carrot. Cut kabocha squash too. Then simmer them in a pot. Next, I'm gonna make topping sauce for cold tofu. Minced shiso leaf, salted plum, and green onion. Add shimeji mushroom to the soup and reduce the heat. Back to the topping sauce. Add salted kombu, sesame oil, soy sauce, sugar, sake, and white sesame seeds. Start to combine. When vegetables in the soup are cooked, turn off the heat. Add dashi granules and miso paste. Dissolve miso. Put topping sauce on cold tofu. This time I put furikake on the rice. This furikake is sukiyaki flavor. From here, I'm gonna show you how to cook Japanese rice with normal pot. You can make really delicious rice even without rice cooker. My husband and I really love this kind of rice. It's Tsuyahime made in Yamagata Prefecture. I cook 10.5 ounces of rice. Remove the air from the bag and store it so that the smell of the room won't transfer to the rice. Next, let's wash the rice to rinse off dust. After adding plenty of water, stir a little and drain the water. Rub the rice skin a little while stirring by hand. Pour water again and drain the water. Repeat this step for 1 or 2 times. Soak in water overnight. If you put it in a colander and then add the water, it will be easier the next day. If you don't have time, please soak for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Before heating the rice, use a colander to drain water well. Put the rice in water. Cook on medium heat until it boils. When bubbles come out, reduce heat to low and cook for 15 minutes. When the water and bubbles are gone, turn off the heat. Wait 10 minutes with the lid on. It can be refrigerated or frozen. If refrigerated, please eat within 3 days. If frozen, please eat within 1 month.